It was a dark and snowy night. Jack was so sad because all he wanted was to play outside in the snow. So Jack stayed inside in his room and just watched the snow fall gently onto the ground while listening to the wind blow and howl through the night. The next morning, Jack woke up and he couldn't wait to play in the snow. He thought and thought about what he could make with the snow. I know, he said. I'm going to make an awesome snowman, and I'm going to call it Snowball. So, Jack started by just making 3 big round snowballs and stacking them up, one on top of each other. Then, Jack went and got buttons for his eyes, a carrot for his nose, 2 sticks for his arms, a scarf to keep his neck nice and warm. And finally, Jack went and got a broom for Snowball to hold on to. Something's missing, he thought. I know! Let me get a hat to put on his head! And then he put the last 2 buttons on him to finish up the look. Perfect, he said. That's it! I did it! I built a snowman! Hooray, he said. He was so excited. He jumped up and down. He cheered. Yes, I did it, he said. I created the most amazing snowman ever. The snow started falling and the wind started blowing very hard that Jack ran quickly back inside. The wind blew off Snowball's hat and his arms, and Snowball rolled all the way down the hill, and little did Jack know that was the last time he would ever see Snowball again.